10 Chief Meteorologist Sharon Ray with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Well, despite a cold front going through, it turned out to be a nice day. We were actually above average on temperatures, reaching 71 degrees. Normally, we should be around 66 this time of year, and we started with 53. Normally, we're at 66 now, but by the time we get into the 15th of January and beyond, our average temperatures start to climb. And we do see those temperatures gradually warming as we get into February and March, of course. And nights, well, they're still on the chilly side, but those too will start to climb. Not much in January. We're not going to see a lot of change. But averages, as we found out, don't always work out. We often see a lot of ups and downs, and that's what I would continue to expect. Right now, we have a clear sky, and it's beautiful out there. It's been windy, though, and it's 68 degrees in Corpus Christi. That 17-mile-an-hour wind coming in from the northwest is ushering in that drier air, and you can see the dew points are low. That's a very dry air coming in, and temperatures are comfortable right now. We are in the upper 60s to near 70. Alice at 70, Rockport at 69 right now, and it's 69 degrees at Mathis at this hour, but the wind is still blowing. You can see it's still pretty windy from 15 to 20-mile-an-hour sustained winds, much lighter toward Rockport. Now those are going to continue to come down tonight, and with the decreasing wind and the clear skies, it's going to be cold out there tonight with our dry air in place. So inland areas will be coming down to about 40 degrees or so. Even 38 is possible at George West and Beeville, 39 to 44 Kingsville for lows. So yeah, it's going to be on the cold side tonight, but tomorrow looks beautiful. So here's an hourly look at your Saturday forecast. First of all, with temperatures tomorrow starting off with those chilly 40s in the morning, but you can see by the time we get to 11 o'clock, we're already getting past 60 degrees. So pretty comfortable weather tomorrow afternoon as we hold in the upper 60s to near 70 for several hours. And not to mention, the wind is going to be light as well. And with those lighter winds tomorrow, it's going to feel good with those temperatures reaching anywhere from the lower 70s inland, coast side in the upper 60s tomorrow, and much lighter winds with all that sunshine. So that means good fishing and boating conditions. Even if you're going to do some cycling tomorrow, going maybe a round of golf, the wind is light, and that's going to make for quiet conditions on the water. Smooth bays tomorrow and Sunday, and the seas coming down to 2 to 3 feet by Sunday. Monday, those pick up a little bit as the wind starts to increase ahead of our next cold front. So right now we have the first front that went through, and it didn't change our temperatures much, but it did bring in some much drier air. You're looking at dew points that are dropping into the 30s and 40s, and that's that very dry air over the region, which is going to stick around into Sunday. And with that, we'll have plenty of sunshine across the area. Our next front is still sitting off the northwest coast. That doesn't get here until Monday, but even that one doesn't have much cool air with it. We're only going to cool down a little bit behind that, and it looks dry. The reason why is we have this upper level wind pattern. Ridging is going to continue over the next couple of days. That starts to give us that warm and drier weather. But the next front comes in. You can see the upper level winds start to change direction again, but notice where they're coming from, the Pacific. We do not have any of that Arctic air coming down, at least in through next week. So that means without the Arctic air intrusions, we're going to just see slight temperature drops, and it is going to be dry. Here's your 7-day forecast brought to you by AutoNation. AutoNation will purchase your car even if you don't purchase a vehicle from them. Shop now at the AutoNation lot near you. So all in all, enjoy the weekend. Lots of sunshine, chilly nights, mild days, warming into the 70s Sunday and Monday. Next front brings the winds up a little bit and cools us back down for Tuesday. We'll be back with more news right after this.